And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Welcome back, Sea Lions, to another week of learning and fun. This week we have parent conferences, so we have early dismissal Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Wednesday is going to be a regular modified day dismissal time of 1:20. We got a lot in store for you. Check it out.
Let's go, Ellen!
Get ready, Sea Lions, for this week's announcements.
Every year, Project Seek puts on a spectacular night called The Event, where we are going to celebrate all the wonderful things happening at McGaw. This is also an opportunity for our family members to contribute to the vision and the mission that we have here as Sea Lions. We want to make sure that everyone has access to amazing art and STEAM programs, as well as a fantastic education. Project Seek helps to make all that come true. Even if you're not at the event, you can go ahead and sign up to BidPal and bid on all the different auction items that are available to you. Some of these things are for our students, and some of these things are for adults. I hope that you get into BidPal and can contribute in a meaningful way to the McGaw vision and mission. Thanks so much, Project Seek members, for all that you've done leading up to the big event. I can't wait to go to the Enchanted Garden. Heads up, 5th graders. On Friday, you are going to take your panoramic picture. So make sure you're listening to your teachers about what you need to wear and show up so that you can be included in this once-in-a-lifetime event. We are so close to the end of the year, and this is just a kickoff to one of the cool things that we're going to do. So remember, 5th graders, panoramic pictures on Friday. Earlier this year, we found out that Mrs. Cheryl Smith is the District Teacher of the Year, and we celebrated her by having a little party in her office with Yosa and all of the family members from the class. But we're not done celebrating. I'm so excited to announce that the Leif McGaw Teacher of the Year is the wonderful Mrs. Lisa McClellan. Here are some students with some great things to say about their teacher.
I want to give a round of applause to Miss McClellan. She has been teaching 34 years and is retiring this year. She is amazing, fantastic, and a role model to all Sea Lions.
Thank you, Miss MC, for making all those amazing lessons.
Thank you for science and poetry, Miss MC.
We're better writers because of you.
Thank you, Miss McClellan, for all the years of your service.
You're a great teacher.
And your science experience are amazing. We're all going to miss you.
We love you, Miss McClellan. Bye.
There you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.